So what is the first step? To begin with, what is the first step? Tell me.
So
We can take 27 as 3 power 3 and 8
Right.
as
the
2 power
first
3.
step would be to notice that 27
Yes.
into 8 would be equal to 6 to the 6 raised to the power 3.
Okay. No, before that, you must observe that here there is a log and here there is x cube. So first objective should be to simplify this expression.
Log base 6 x cube is constant k.
As not constant. You should tell that
Yes, sir.
this should be
By
some variable. Okay. So log x base 6, let us take this as t. All right. So this will be equal to how much? Tell me.
we can
8
take log
into.
6 log x cube base 6.
Pardon me?
We can take log base 6 x cube as t.
No issue. Yeah, that does not matter. That also you can take. And let me take this only. So tell me.
So we can convert x cube into a to
In terms
into
of t.
27 raised to the power. Yes, sir.
What is the answer then? You have to tell me the answer. What is the maximum value? Just conversion won't help.
Is the answer 216?
Answer is 216. Yes. 8 power t minus. And what is x from here? Tell me. 6 power t. So what will be the cube of this? What will be the cube of this? X cube. So this will be 216 whole power t. Is that all right? So this I can factorize. Can I factorize this? Tell me. 27 power t minus
Yes, sir.
8. Okay. And here what? Not minus 8. In fact, minus 27. Minus
sir.
27 into what? 8 minus 8 power t. I can write it like this. Please check. And then plus I can write 216. Please check, all of you. Are you able to follow this? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Is it okay? Now see what you can observe directly. The first expression, if you check. First expression. So this is what? Tell me. First expression is depending upon value of t. So let me take first option as t greater than 0. So if t is positive, this expression is positive. Yes. Not greater than 0. In fact, greater than 1. Let me take greater than 1. Okay. So if t is greater than 1, this expression is positive. And the second expression will be negative. So whole multiplication of first two terms will be negative. Agreed? In the first case. In the second case, if you take t smaller than 1, what will happen? The first expression will be negative and the second expression will become positive, but the resultant product will remain what? Tell me, this whole will remain what?
So negative.
Negative means whole answer will remain smaller than 216. Yes or no? Suppose this is S. So in both the cases, S will remain smaller than 216. Now what will happen when t is exactly equal to 1? When t is exactly equal to 1?
So it will be equal to 216.
And which will be the maximum answer? Because at each and every case, this will be smaller. So is it understood? Is it all right? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so please write this. Then we'll move on to the next problem. Find the coordinates of the focus of this conic. Tambat Raj was saying, can we use AMGM in the previous problem? Actually, AMGM won't work better because see, AMGM only works when all the quantities are positive. No? And here there are three variables, two are positive and third one is also a variable. Okay, so you should do it in this manner. Got the point? Tambat Raj. Okay. Okay, now you attempt, all of you attempt this. Try to find the focus of this conic. Focus of this conic. So first of all you have to tell me what is this conic?
Parabola.
Yes.
Parabola.
So Yes. So can all identify this is a parabola? How did you identify this is a parabola?
H square equal to AB.
Only h square equal to AB is the criteria.
Delta not equal to 0.
Yes. So first of all, you have to examine, because this could also be a parallel pair of straight lines. See, h square equal to AB, only this condition can lead to 3 cases. Can you tell me what are they? Suppose in the exam, he only asks you a general 2-degree equation and one more condition h square equal to AB, then it can represent 3 set of curves. 3 set of curves. What are they? Tell me. First, you tell me this. So this can
Pair of straight
represent,
lines.
yes, what type of pair? That also you have to tell. So either it can represent 2 parallel lines, or it can represent 2 identical lines, or it could be a parabola. So for that, as you said, first you have to check delta. Because unless until we check it is a parabola, then we cannot proceed. So delta, all of you know delta, right? ABC plus minus 2FGH. ABC plus 2FGH minus AF is, or determinant, it is easier to evaluate. So delta will come out non-zero. Delta is this determinant ABC. So what is A here? 1 that you can identify. B and C. FGH will be 2, minus 16 and minus 2. And it is symmetric determinant. It is a symmetric determinant. So if you check this, this will come out as a non-zero number. That means this will not represent pair of straight lines. So as you perfectly said, it is a parabola. Now you have to tell me the focus of this parabola. You just tell me what is the focus, vertex, directrix, anything you can ask. So tell me for that purpose, how you are going to get the focus. Anybody? How will you find the focus of this parabola? Yes? Please tell me. How will you proceed? Yes, Ved
Converting first term into x minus 2y whole square, then
Yes.
adding a plus lambda inside and adding other terms on the other
Okay,
side.
Karthik is saying we can shift the axis, but your shifting won't work, because shifting won't be of much help. Either rotation will help here, but that will be time consuming. So shifting won't do much of a purpose here. So as Ved Prakash said, can you identify first 3 terms are perfect square of what? So Ved Prakash, here also you have to add some constant. Why?
Yes.
Because first 3 terms are there. So let me add that constant as C. Is that clear?
Yes.
Now, if you remember the standard parabola, it looks like this. Y square equal to 4A into X. See, basic properties remain same. So what is necessary for these 2 terms, X and Y? They must be mutually perpendicular. They must be mutually perpendicular. Yes, Atharv is saying right, make them perpendicular. So right hand side, I must write what? Tell me. 2x plus y plus some constant along with a constant outside. Let me mark that as k. So I want to convert this into this form. So is it clear to all? बोलिए भाई, ये बात सभी को समझ में आई? Is it clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Now you must compare each and every coefficient of the like powers of variables. So if you if you open the square, so you will get x square plus y square, 4y square. What all terms are you going to get? Tell me. Plus 2c. Next, coefficient of y, you tell me. What is coefficient of y?
Minus 4c.
Minus of 4c. What else? What is the constant term? So have we written all the terms? Yes. Now let us compare one by one. Let us compare one by one. So this is first three terms are okay. So first of all, 2c minus a should be what? Minus 32. Coefficient of x, if you compare, that means a minus c is 16. If you compare coefficient of y, so what is that? Coefficient of y.
4
So 4c plus a should be
minus
what?
4c plus.
Yes, minus 4. So if you add them, so what will be the value? C equal to 4 and a equal to 20. Is it all right?
Equal to minus 4.
Sorry, minus 4. Okay. C equal to minus 4 and a equal to then not 20. A will be what? 12. A will be 12. Is it okay? And last constant term, if you equate, so c square minus ak, this must be 16. So tell me what is going to be k. So c square will be 16 minus 12k. That means k is going to be 0. Okay, so now you tell me how you are going to represent this parabola.
Sir,
So I
is
will
focus
represent-
2 comma minus 1.
Yes, yes. Correct. So x minus 2y plus c. So c is like this. So see, conic sections problem will be directly based on the basic properties. Okay, so you must be comfortable doing that. So 2x plus y. Now, can you tell me what do they represent on the Cartesian plane? These two lines. Can you tell me?
Sir, 2x plus y is
The
the axis
axis,
of the
the two
parabola.
perpendicular axis.
Yes, two perpendicular axes, but basically for the parabola, what should be there?
Tangent at vertex
Tangent
and
at
axis.
vertex.
Yes, yes. So y square equal to 4ax. So what is going to be the axis of the parabola? So axis is going to be x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. And tangent at vertex? Tangent at vertex. This is going to be what? 2x
Plus y.
plus y equal to 0. So you can get the vertex. So what is vertex? Their intersection will be the vertex. So if you solve them, y equal to minus 2x. So that is 4 by 5, I believe, right? And minus 8 by 5. Is it all right? Please check.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And if this is the vertex, where will the focus lie? Where will
Along,
the focus?
along the axis.
Along the?
A times along the axis.
Yes. And what is
Yes,
A here? What is A here? Can you tell me?
3 by root
A
5.
is
So this you have to convert in terms of distance.
3 by root 5.
Yes. Because this you should write like this. X minus 2 minus 4 by root 5. Whole square. And this is equal to how much? 2x plus y by root 5. Correct? And along with this, what will come in the denominator? Root 5. So like this. So what is your A here? Are you getting the point? Because when I write y square equal to 4ax and I draw the parabola like this, and I draw the parabola like this. So basic properties remain same. So when I say basic geometrical properties, I mean to say this is your y, this is your x. So y square means distance from x's whole square is latest rectum times, that means 4a times distance from TV. TV stands for tangent at the vertex. So in this manner, I can write the parabola. Correct? But remember, this can have both the parabolas included, to the right, to the left. Then you can identify depending upon which side we require. Correct? So like here, so this is your axis, and this represents distance from axis because geometrical properties are not going to change. And this will be your tangent at the vertex. So therefore, ultimately, how far will that be? So on the line y plus 2x equal to 0 from this point, how much distance do we require? What is A? Tell me. 3 by
root 5.
that you can always calculate. So can you do it now? Tell me first, what will be the directrix? Now, can you get the directrix also? What will be the directrix of this? Yes? How will you find the directrix? Tell me. Directrix is parallel to the tangent at the vertex. So what is the tangent
X
at the
minus
vertex?
2y plus c.
2x
Yes.
plus y.
So you can take 2x plus y equal to c, and then this is at a distance of a units from the vertex. So what is this distance? This is going to be c by root 5, and this is equal to a. What is a? So this distance I shall keep plus minus. Now can you tell me, will it be plus or minus? This you will decide based on, tell me.
Direction of parabola.
Yes, because in one case it will pass through the focus, in other it will not pass through the focus. So if they are on the same side of the focus, then it is that directrix. So got the point? Is it clear to all?
Yes.
Okay, so like that you can do, even if it is an ellipse, and that too a rotated ellipse, oblique, conic, then you can also get its focus. So for ellipse, what will you do? Suppose this would have been an ellipse and someone asks you to get its focus, its vertices, its directrices like that, its latest rectum. Then what you should do for ellipse? So for that also, you should represent this in this form, Lx plus my plus n whole square, right? This divided by some constant plus and perpendicular line, mx plus here something else could be there. Let us mark that as, let us say a, some another constant. This is a rotated ellipse, right? And then you can compare. Depending on some conditions, these variables may be reduced. Is that clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now we shall proceed to the next problem, number 3. Do it.
Sir, is that xy equals to 1, sir?
Yes. Xy equal to 1. I will read it for you. Find the image of xy equal to 1 in the curve. This is your curve. X plus root of x square plus 1 into y plus root of y square plus 1 equal to 1. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Do it. So someone is saying that put x equal to tan theta. No, don't do like that. Generally, that substitution we do when we are doing some integration problem, or some range problem. Here, so you should identify what is this curve. So I don't think x equal to tan theta will simplify this.
Sir, xy is equal to 1 itself is the image.
Very good. Correct. Tell me, how did you do it?
Sir, just taken that y term below the 1.
You have just taken. Please come again.
Y plus root under y square plus 1 below.
Yes. 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 Carry on. Carry on.
And
Lokesh.
further simplifying it, we get y plus root under y square plus 1 is equal to 1 by x plus root under x square plus 1. And by adding that both equations, and xy is equal to 1.
No, Mata, what is this curve? That is what I am asking. The second curve. Have you simplified the second curve?
No, sir.
Oh, but before simplifying, before not knowing what is this curve, how can you find the image? Karthik is saying x plus y equal to 1. So this is for second curve, Karthik, or this is the image? What you have written? Is it the image answer? See. So all of you, are you trying? Okay, x plus y equal to 0. Yes, now it is correct. So x plus y equal to 0, is it this curve? Second curve, Karthik? Second curve? Yes. Now it is correct. See, all of you should know this function very well. This is nothing but x plus y equal to 0. ना देखो, इस बात को आप लोग ध्यान रखें, ये जो कर्व है, this curve is nothing but x plus y equal to 0. See how? So, got it? Y plus root y square plus 1 is how much? Tell me. This is how much? 1 upon x
E
plus
for
this.
cos it.
How much? I can rationalize that.
Yes, sir.
So this will be like x plus y plus root of y square plus 1 equal to root of x square plus 1. Similarly, if I start with LHS as it is and transfer the y term to the other side and rationalize that in the similar manner, so I will get this. Do you agree or not? And then again transfer y to the left side. Correct. So this is a well-known curve. And now if you add these two equations, so what will you get? X plus y equal to 0. Correct? That means this curve is x plus y equal to 0. And what is the image of this hyperbola xy equal to 1 in x plus y equal to 0?
Y is equal to -1.
Itself.
No, itself.
Itself, sir. Itself.
Actually,
Yes, sir,
A comma B.
Transverse axis.
What is the image of A comma B in x plus y equal to 0?
Minus
Tell
A
me this.
minus B.
Minus A, minus B minus A, no? X plus y.
Minus B minus A, sir.
Yes, minus B minus A. That is minus A minus B is if you're taking the image in origin. Then it is minus A minus B. Karthik. See, if I ask you to take the image of A comma B in origin, then that image is minus A minus B. If I ask you to take the image of A comma B in y equal to x, it is B comma A. And if I ask you to take image in y equal to minus x or x plus y equal to 0, this is what? Minus B minus A. Is that clear? Right?
yes, sir.
Okay. So image will be the curve itself, because if in xy equal to 1, that means x comma y is getting replaced with minus y minus x. So if I replace x by minus y by minus x, I'm going to get the same curve. So this curve is the image of itself. This curve is the image of itself. So this is clear to all? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next question. So this is just like integer type question they will ask in a numerical based section. So do it. Find the value of k for which f of k is minimum. F of k is minimum. Take your time, but you should be able to solve this within 1 minute. Only if you solve some problems within 1 minute in maths also, not all, but 18 problems generally will be asked. Out of 18, 3 problems you can solve within 1 minute. 2 or 3. So this is one of them. This is one of them. And rest all requires time. Some might require some 6 minutes also. Some might require say 5 minutes, 7 minutes, like that. But this problem you should solve within 1 minute. That you will be able to solve if you remember.
So k is equal to 2.
No, beta, k is not 2. This you will be able to solve if you remember one identity or one theorem. So,
Sir, 72, sir, 72. Hello.
Yes, Manoj.
Yes, sir. Manoj only. 72, sir.
72, value of K. No. Very far you have taken. Very far. Not 72. Anybody? So I have not obtained any correct answer till now. Hmm? Yes.
Sorry,
Zero.
not 4.
8 by 3. Manvita. No, beta. Not 8 by 3.
0.
Sir, 4.
0. 0 is also incorrect. You are not getting the correct answer. Anything you are telling. Eh? Like that, it won't work. No. First, tell me the method. Shrija is telling me 6. Now you can tell me all integers. Something will work. No? Tell me how will you do it?
Sir, first
Yes.
opening the modulus function.
Beta, lekin unless until I know about K, so I cannot open the modulus function. Can you tell me what does it represent? X into 4 minus X minus K. This is a parabola, X into 4
Parabola.
minus.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
parabola
Parabola.
facing downwards.
Correct. So let me draw the parabola first. Okay. So if I draw the parabola, so this is downward parabola. And what are the values? Like 0 and 4.
Sir, 0 and 4.
0 and 4. And y equal to K is a line. So observe carefully. Minus 10, Tambadraj. No, beta. K is not minus 10. So next, let me draw a line y equal to K. This line might intersect this. This line might also not intersect this. So what do you basically want?
Sir, 3.
No. Yeah, 3 is correct. 3 is correct. Ab tumhara sahi aaya. How did you obtain 3? You have to tell me the reason also.
Sir, graphically only, like by drawing the curve, so you can find
I will tell you. Let
which
me,
case the minimum area can be covered.
okay. Let me just verify. See, now one thing all of you must observe, if I keep on taking the line above this vertex, so mod of this minus this will be how much area? Can you tell me? So that is included between this fx minus this. So this whole area. Are you getting the point?
Yes, sir.
Or till vertex I can take, and then I can take the double. I can take the double of it. So basically, this will be the area. This whole will be the area. So this will be quite large, right?
Yes,
Because
sir.
it is K minus this like this. If you bring it down, see, you can see it here only. If you can bring it down, so obviously this green colored line K will have a lesser area. All of you agree or not?
Yes, sir.
So obviously lines cannot be very far. So K has to be between 0 and 4. So first of all, this point is clear to all. Correct? Now there is a theorem which we will do general proof also. That is very important. Directly area question will come. You will be able to answer that. But for that, some symmetry use you have to do. Like what I have done, I have broken this problem into 2 parts from 0 to 2. Now look carefully here.
Minus 8 by 3.
Not minus 8 by 3, beta. K equal to 3 is the correct answer. I will tell you. Now, this is a line. This is the line y equal to K. Y equal to K. Now, can you shade the area for me? What is the area which is required or integral? So, I should draw 2
The
lines.
parabola.
Yes. Between, see here,
So-
definite integration represent area. So, modulus means when curve is above, then you have to take below that. So, what is the area? So, till here, this is the area. Please tell me if you are able to
Yes,
follow
sir.
this or not.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
the area which I am shading this and double of this, I'm not shading on the right hand side, it will also come on the right hand side. Okay. So double of this. Now see what is happening here. As you shift y equal to K from bottom to down, from bottom to up, area will change in a definite manner that you can observe. So the theorem which I am going to state just after this, let me first tell you what is that theorem. This area, this sum of areas will be minimum. Red part, area of the shaded part will be minimum. When you take here, this point of intersection is the average of 0 and 2. So what is the average of 0 and 2? Can you tell me?
Sir, 1.
1. X equal to 1. But if x equal to 1, it will intersect the curve at which point?
3.
Sir,
3.
3.
Yes, because what is the curve? X into 4 minus x. So if you put x equal to 1, y is 3. Now you might ask, sir, why is that so? I will give you the reason also. But first you have to write the theorem or the result directly. So therefore, k must be equal to 3. Okay, now I will explain you why is this so. So for that, we will write one theorem, and I would like you to first prove that. Okay, and that proof should also be very elegant and very fast. So let us write the theorem. Probably you might know that. Write it. Let y equal to fx. And mind it, in area problems, this is very useful. One area problem will come where you have to use this. Let y equal to fx be a monotonic function. Write this. Let y equal to fx be a monotonic function. Be a monotonic function in a comma b. In the interval a comma b. In the interval a comma b. Y equal to fx be a monotonic function, interval a comma b. Then the area bounded by, x equal to a, x equal to b, y equal to fx, and y equal to f of c. Fx be a monotonic function. See, here we are not discussing monotonicity as a discrete set of function, because sometimes you might argue, sir, monotonic, I can take it like this also. Points are randomly distributed. So we are discussing only for continuous function. Let me remind you. Okay. So I'm not taking function like this. Getting the point? So monotonic continuous. Monotonic continuous you can add, or piecewise continuous you can add. So y equal to fx is a monotonic function in open. Then area bounded by x equal to a, x equal to b, y equal to fx, and y equal to fc is minimum. When c equal to a plus b by 2. Directly you should apply this theorem here. So can someone tell me the proof? First try to prove this.
Is it by Lagrange mean value theorem, sir?
You try. Now you try. Then we can discuss. Not basically Lagrange. You can make a function in terms of C and look for the extrema. It's up to you whether you want to use calculus, or without calculus also you can observe.
Integrating A to C and C to B.
Yes, do it like that. Again, I want a better, an elegant proof. Yes, Manoj, you can switch off your camera. And Chakradhar also. You can see the chakras of your fan. Chakradhar V. If you are there. Because if you prove this is a very powerful and a very useful theorem.
Sir, is there any similar theorem for the maximum area as well?
No, the maximum will go to infinity, no? Not maximum. Maximum, like directly for area, it is not there. Because for if that is maxima, it should fall down to like 0. So maximum it can reach to infinity if you keep on increasing that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So can we do this? So let us draw the function. So if I draw the function like this is your fx, x equal to a, x equal to b. And this is y equal to f of c. This is y equal to fx. This is x equal to b. And what is this? Y equal to f of c. So can you tell me what is this point? This point?
C. A plus B. By
No, that is what you have to prove, beta.
C
Right
comma f
now,
of
this
C.
is C comma f of C. Right now, we do not know what is that point. We have to prove that. Actually, we are looking for the proof here. Okay. Correct. So we don't know what is this point. Now, if you have to get the combined area, so this is the shaded area A1 and above this. So you can observe the total area is going to be A1 plus A2. A1 plus A2. So this is A1 and this is A2. So A equal to A1 plus A2. All of you agree with this or no?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
What is going to be A1? Tell me, A1 is integral.
C
to B of
C minus f of
C
x.
minus F of X.
Correct. So f of c minus. So I'm doing this problem via two methods. So let me write this as method number 1, which is based on calculus. And second also I will discuss, which will be an elegant proof. Plus, tell me C to B, upper curve will be what? Fx. And lower curve will be Fc. So I think you all are comfortable with this. Yes. And can I
Yes,
write this A as a function of C? This whole expression will come as what? Tell me. As a function of C, because C is the only variable here. समझ में आया? Is that understood?
Yes, sir.
Correct. So A of C. Now, since f of C is a constant with respect to x, so the first term f of C, I can take outside and C minus A into f of C. Can I write it like this? Minus integral A to C. Like that I want to write. Plus C to B fx. And then what? Minus. So see, what I have done, I have first assumed let f be monotonically increasing. And the decreasing proof you can do in the similar fashion. So what I have taken right now, I have assumed the function to be monotonically increasing. So minus b minus c into f of c. And a dx integral I have taken. So this will be how much? 2c minus a minus b into f of c. First and last term I have combined, taking fc common. Tell me, beta, all of you understood this? Keep
Yes,
on
sir.
writing dx also, fx dx. Now we want to differentiate this. See, what was the need of simplification? Because if I want to differentiate a definite integral, I cannot differentiate it using Leibniz rule unless until it is a pure function of c in the limits. And this should be a function of dummy variable of integration. But here, what is the problem? Why am I not
So the
differentiating
variable
here?
itself will. So the variable
Yes.
itself is coming in the integration.
Yes, this integrand contains both. So here I have to use the refined form of Leibniz, which all must not be aware of. I don't know whether you are aware of that. That is why I have first simplified this. Okay. So what is going to be A dash C? A dash C. Tell me, differentiate this. Product rule you can apply. 2. Yes. F of C.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, plus 2c minus a
minus
minus
A minus B,
B
F dash C.
f dash c. What next?
Minus f of
Lebanese.
Zero, sir.
Why 0?
No, no, sir.
Sir, minus F of C
minus 2 of
plus yes, sir.
Then you can do 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So what is a dash c? What is a dash c? Tell me. Into f dash c. F dash c is positive because it is monotonically increasing
Yes,
at
sir.
every point.
Yes,
So
sir.
where will the critical point of c will lie? At a plus b by 2. So if I
Yes, sir.
mark the sign scheme of c equal to a plus b by 2, if I take c greater than this will be plus minus. So if first derivative changes from negative to positive, it is a point of
minima.
लेकिन एक बात समझिए, here I have deliberately used one fact that function is differentiable, which is not given in the problem. And unintentionally I have used this, no? F dash c is meaningful only when?
Yes, sir.
Tell me. But this theorem is even true, even if function is not differentiable, it might possess some corners. So this is the proof. When we say that function is differentiable, then this proof will do. Getting the point? Getting the point? So now let us
Yes, sir.
also look at alternative proof. अब देखो उसको समझना, that is very basic proof. If you try to observe this method number 2, let me again draw the same function here. Let me draw the function here, and x equal to a, x equal to b like this, and somewhere in between the line y equal to f of c. Now I am choosing the midpoint deliberately first. See, try to see the difference. This will have some area. Pardon me. This I have taken y equal to fx. I said I am deliberately choosing the midpoint of this. So what is this? X equal to
A plus B by 2.
Now I will show that or prove that if I take this line upwards or downwards, in both cases area will increase. Then it is done.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Then
sir.
it is done. So let us shift this upwards. Let us first shift this upwards. So try to observe very carefully. Green line is the second case. This is midpoint. This is any other value. So first of all, for red one. Okay, so for red one, what is the area? And right now, what area I am expressing here, they are within boundaries, mutually exclusive, disjoint areas. So can you tell me in terms of A1, A2, A3, A4, what is red area?
A1 plus A3 plus A4.
A1 plus A3 plus A4.
Very good. A1 plus A3 plus initial area. And this is also AI. Initial means from the midpoint, AI. And what is going to be the green area?
A1 plus A2 plus
A1
A4.
plus A2.
A1 plus A2 plus A4. And that is going to be AF. Final area.
Yes, sir.
When you have taken it upwards, take the difference. Take AF minus AI.
A2 minus
Sir, A2 minus A4.
A2 minus
A3.
A3.
A3. And see here, see A2. This was the midpoint. This is a rectangle.
Yes, sir.
And if I draw this line, I'm deliberately drawing this line, then it is equal half. Now it is equal half, and this area is extra. Obviously, A2 is greater than A3.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Obviously, A2 is greater than A3.
Yes, sir.
Hence proved. Similarly, if you take it down also, it will come in the similar fashion. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
whenever you make it, so now someone might argue, sir, why you have chosen the midpoint? Because choosing midpoint, then A2 and A3 will be equal if that exact vertically up curve will go. But curve is not going vertically up. It is going increasingly monotonically to this side. Therefore, on either side, it will increase the area. Are you getting the point?
Yes, sir.
Now come
Yes, sir.
back again to the original problem, what I had given to you. And now try to see it here that from 0 to 2, this parabola is monotonically increasing. Only look at this part of the curve. Getting the point? And from here, this line
Yes,
is
sir.
y equal to k. Y equal to k. Now this area will be minimum. Just now we proved that when x is equal to a plus b by 2, that means 0 plus 2 by 2, x must be 1. And when x is 1, you can substitute in the parabola x into 4 minus x to get the y coordinate of this point. And that will be 3. So that is how we obtain the result. Clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay. So you
So
write
the limits
this.
are from 0 to 5, then it won't be continuous at
If the limits are, tell me. Yes,
the
if
limits are
the,
from 0 to 5.
then you cannot apply in this manner, no?
Yes.
See, then, yes, because otherwise JEE will only ask those questions where obviously this theorem might be valid. But if it is not valid, then you have to do it in a proper way by differentiating this, taking two cases. The first approach. Getting the point?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
But generally, their objective will not be to make the question unnecessarily lengthy, unless until they have some motive behind that. Okay. Okay. So let me again give you another problem. So all of you write this. So this is multi-correct problem. One or more than one may be correct. All of you try this. I'll be back in 2 minutes. Raman Bhavan. Okay, I think your video audio was on. Okay, no issues. So, any leads, beta?
Taking
So is
square.
it an plus 2 or an?
That is a valid
Is it
doubt.
with
What do you think? What do you think this is? I have actually, I have tried to write this very neatly. This is an plus 2. Plus 2 is different. Okay.
Okay, sir.
If it is a of
Yes,
n plus
sir.
2, I will write it in this way. N plus 2. Okay. Plus 2 is separate. That you have taken? Only that you have taken, right?
No, sir.
No.
I got it.
I
An
know.
plus 2.
See the font size of 2. If this was n plus 2, then font size of n and 2 should be same as per mathematics. Yes, try that. Sir, can we do Sn minus? Yes, do it.
Sir, sir,
Yes,
it is
Mayuri.
half done. Sir, it is half done, but I'm not getting that how to get the sum of a1 plus a2 up to an,
Sn you are not
because
getting.
they are no, I'm getting SN, but they are in sequence, but we don't know whether there is any difference or not.
Okay. Don't worry. I will help you. First of all, you write this. And
Yes, sir.
can you obtain some formula for A of n or some S of n?
Taking a of n and next writing the same
Yes,
for
sir.
n plus 1 and then
Then
squaring
we
on
can
both sides and
find it for
subtracting.
n is equal to 1, and then we can
Sir, I
get
first
1
squared,
plus
then
1.
subtracted Sn minus 1.
Yes, yes. So what is Sn? Or what is, this is 4 times this, not 2 root Sn I have.
Yes, sir.
Oh, just wait. Just wait. Actually, I wrote it incorrectly. It is root of 2SN. है? So please make this correction. Just now I saw this. This is under root of 2 times SN. Okay, write it like this. Under root of this. Okay. So now I'm going to square this. So if I square this, so this will become 8 times S of n equal to how much? An square plus
4an plus 4
4an
plus 4.
plus, right? Now what next? If I replace n by n minus 1, so what is going to be 8Sn minus 1?
an minus.
Yes. Plus 4 times plus 4. Now if you take the difference, so Sn minus 1 is how much?
An.
An. Yes. So this will be equal to how much? Tell me. An.
So an minus 1 into an plus 1 plus 4
An plus.
plus an minus 1 plus 4.
Okay. Plus 4. What next? How will you obtain from here? I think one term I just missed. Just let me go through the question once more, because directly you must be getting this, no?
So n is equals to 4n minus 2.
4n minus 2 you have obtained? Just a moment, beta. Let me just see the term. If I have missed some term here. No, this is all right. N plus 2 is there and hold, yes. Now you tell me. This is all right.
So
What
we
is the
can
value that
probably
you-
obtain a1.
So
What is that?
we can open it and solve. We get an minus 1 equal to 4.
Yes. That was what I was about to do here. So 8 of An is this. I think now we can factorize this, no?
There is answer C and D.
Yeah.
C and D. Let me just check. Let me just check the answer. Yes, C and D is the correct answer. Yes. So now can you tell me what is going to be the value? What is going to be the value? So basically an square minus an minus 1 square will be how much? You do it like this only, na? Minus this. So this will be 4 times. You bring that to the other side, na? An minus 1. Write it like this. Don't write this line. Simply subtract this. If you subtract this, this will be 8an. 8an will be how much? Tell me. An square minus
an square minus
an minus 1 square plus 4an and then plus 4an minus. And after this, you write
minus
this
4an minus 1.
minus 4an minus 1. Correct?
Yes.
So now, if you factorize this in this manner, so this will be this. Correct? Can you see this? This is an increasing sequence. Is this
Yes,
an
sir.
increasing? Why? Because every time under root of something is always positive. So if you keep on doing this, S of n will come out as a positive number because this is a positive sequence. That means an minus 1 cannot be 0. Therefore, I can cancel both sides. So an, tell me, plus, what will you get? An minus 1, 4 of an plus will come here. No? Okay. 4 times
Yes,
an. Yeah, it's okay. 4an plus
So
will come.
an
So
minus
an,
an minus 1 is equal to 4.
very good. So a, that means what is this sequence? Minus
So AP.
an. It is an AP. So if this is 4, now can you tell me what will be the value? Now can
First
you tell
term
me?
will be 2, sir.
First term is 2.
First term is 2.
Second term,
How
Sir,
first
we
term
can
is
put
2?
a1 in the original sequence and we can get a1 plus 2 by 2 is equal to
Very
root
good.
2a1.
So in the first equation, I can put n equal to 1. So a1 plus 2 will be 2 times under root of how much?
A1. 2a1.
A1.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So A1 square minus 4A1 plus 4, squaring this. So A1 is going
Yes,
to
sir.
be 2. Now this is a simple AP problem. First term is 2, common difference is 4. Rest all you can do it. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, CD
Yes,
is
sir.
the correct. CD is the correct.
Sir, option A also.
Option A you
Yes,
are
sir. A
getting?
is also correct.
Yes,
Is
sir. A
also
is
correct.
also correct.
Okay, let me check. So this is going to be how much? 2 plus 20. Yes, this is also correct. 20 into 4. So 82. A is also correct. And what about D? D is not correct, no?
No, sir. B is
2
not.
plus 40. That is
46,
46.
right?
That is
Yes, sir.
46. Okay. So understood this? So now let me give you another problem. Number 7. So write this. Again,
Read that
multi-correct.
5.
Yes, 5 power. 5 power an plus 1 minus an. Okay, again, this is multi-correct problem.
Sir, is that greater integer function?
Yes, this is GIF. These are the options that you have to check. Multi-correct, where this represents greatest integer function. Yeah, Pavan Kumar, you can ask for the recording and then you can understand, okay? Because we have limited time in the class, right? So this is 5 raised to the power n plus 1 minus n, 1 plus 1 upon n plus 2 by. Okay. Yeah, Karthik has written something that is correct. Now you have to tell me which
Sir,
options.
sir, I have gotten the final term.
PC, sir.
So
Sir,
C you are
an is
getting?
equal to,
Yes, an you must be able to
yes, sir.
identify.
An is equal to 2 plus log base 5 3n plus 2.
Yes. Now try to look at the options and tell me which option is correct.
Yes.
Not BC. BC is not correct.
So CD.
Author A, B, and D is also correct. Author. So is everyone able to get AN, general term of the sequence?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You have opted? So yes, so this is like, I can simply find this 5 power. What will this become? Tell me. 5 power an plus 1 upon 5 power an. This is how much?
Sir, 3n plus 5 divided by 3n plus 2.
Correct. So this is basically a telescopic ratio,
Yes, sir.
right? So if you keep on doing that, yes, Siddharth, ABD is correct. So if I keep on doing this, so I will write 5 power an upon 5 power an minus 1. So replacing n by n minus 1, 3n plus 2
3n
upon
plus 2.
on 3n minus 1. Yes. So keep on doing this. An minus 1, an minus 2. This will be 3n minus 1 upon 3n minus 4. If I continue in this manner till 5 power a2 upon 5 power a1. That means what will be the final value? What will be the final value?
8/5.
How much?
8/5.
8 by
8/5.
8 by 5. Okay. So if you multiply all these equations, you simply multiply all of them. So first term 5 power an will remain, and finally 5 power a1 will remain. Rest all will get cancelled. What will be left? What will be left? 3n plus 2. 3n plus 2
Divided by 5.
Divided by 5.
divided by 5. And what is a1?
So 3n plus 5.
Yes. A1 is 1, so I can cancel this 5 power A1 and 5. So I think all of you must be able to arrive at this step. Yes, ABD is correct. ABD is correct. Is that clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now 5 power AN is 3n plus 5. Now see, if we want A of some term equal to 3, so let us explore this possibility that integer part of an is 3. So what do I require basically? An should lie between close 3 to open 4.
Sir, after telescopic cancellation, 5 power an plus 1 will remain, no, sir?
I have not taken from 5 power n plus 1. I have started from here. See here.
Okay, okay, sir.
So an is from 3 to 4. 3 to 4. Now, see here. If you put an equal to 3, so this will start from 5 power 3, 125 till 5 power 4, 625. So can you tell me what is the minimum value of allowed n? What is minimum allowed value of n? Tell me. It is 41.
Sir, there 5 power an plus 1 should be there, no, sir?
Again, you have not observed this. But I am not taking this. I am starting from here. I have multiplied these terms that I have left out. I am not multiplying this term. I am starting from here till here within this block. Is that okay?
Sir, we got 5 power an as 3n plus 2, no, sir. So 5 power an plus 1 will get it as 3n plus 5.
Yes.
That's fine. I'm only writing 5 power n only, no?
Sir, left side down we wrote it as 3n plus 2.
So 3n plus 2 will remain, no? If I keep on multiplying, that's what I have written, no? What is the confusion?
Sir,
see, on the so I'm only multiplying these terms, beta. So if I multiply these terms, so LHS is okay, 5 power n upon 5 power a1. See on the RHS, 3n plus 2 will not get cancelled, and all of these 3n minus 1, 3n minus 4, they will get cancelled except 5.
Sir, on top you written 3n plus
you
5.
have written 3n plus 5.
We are talking about RHS terms, sir.
On top, sir, right hand.
Yes, sir. On top, 5 raised to the power n. Sir, brown font.
5 power. Okay. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Here I have written it incorrectly. Okay, 3n plus 2. Yes. So n will start from 41. 41 into 3 is 123 plus 2, 125, 5 cube. And it will go on till what value? 625. So 207. So 621 plus 6. Because 208, it will increase. Is that clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Tell me. So obviously, so what is true? So from here, D is okay? Till 207?
Yes, sir.
And what integers are 4? Tell me. Which value is 4? Which value is 4? Sai Nandini. Which value is 4? Tell me. Yeah, let me tell you. I will discuss the answer. Don't worry. So if integer part of n, just a moment, beta. If this is 4, that means what is the minimum allowed value of n? Can you tell me what is the minimum allowed value?
208, sir.
208 it will start, 209 and so on. It will end at what?
1040.
1040. 41, I suppose.
41 will get equality, no, sir.
But okay. 40 or 41? You can check it.
40 it should be. 41 will get equality. It will become a
Okay, okay, equal to 4 you will get, no?
Yes, sir.
Equal to 5 you will get then.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. 1040 it will go. Correct. It will go till 1040. These are the allowed values, and here A of n is how much? Between 5 and 4. Correct. So for 4, what are the allowed values? 223 is okay. This is okay. D is okay. And then D is also okay. So what are the correct options? Tell me. B, C, and D.
Sir,
Is that clear?
entail all, yes, sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
Yes, Vishruth, you got BCD? No? Okay, good. Okay, BCD. Okay, so next, I will make you write one problem. See, write. 2 power n equally skilled players. 2 power n equally skilled players. Okay, equally skilled players S1, S2 till S of subscript 2 power play a knockout tournament. Play a. You might have done similar type of problems, but I want to discuss one method which will be very helpful to you. Okay, 2 power n equally skilled players play a knockout tournament where, write it, where players are paired at random in each round. Right, 2 power n equally skilled players play a knockout tournament where players are paired at random in each round, and winner of each pair moves on to the next round. I repeat, players are paired at random in each round, and winner of each pair moves on to the next round. Moves on to the next round. Written till here, all of you?
Yes.
Yes. Full stop. If S2 has reached the semi-finals, then the probability that S1 will win the tournament is 1 by 20. If S2 has reached the semi-finals, then the probability that S1 will win the tournament is 1 by 20. Is 1 by 20. Find n. Is 1 by 20.
Repeat the last line.
If S1 has reached the semi-finals, then the probability that S1 will win the tournament is 1 by 20. Got it?
Sir, S2 has reached the semi-final of S1.
I have spoken 5 times, very slowly and very carefully. If S2 has reached the semi-finals, then the probability that S1 will win the tournament is 1 by 20. Is it okay now? Okay. Then find n. Then find n. Do it. So we are concerned with the approach. What approach you are going to take here? See, knockout tournament, all of you understand what happens in a knockout? So once you lose, you are knocked out of the tournament. Knockout means if there is a match and someone loses that match, then he is knocked out from the tournament. That means knockout tournament. Like in cricket, we used to have a Champions Trophy where there was a knockout game of cricket matches. So like that. So what is happening? Every time half of the players are getting eliminated. Suppose initially you have 32 players. So in the next round, how many players will come? Yeah, we'll go to the next round.
16.
16 players.
16, that stage is known as pre-quarters. Pre-quarters. After 16, what will come? 8. 8 quarter final. After 8, 4.
Yes,
4 is semi-final.
Semi.
2 final and ultimately the winner. All are equally skilled. Yes. Sir, 2 power 4. What is that, beta? Answer?
Sir, answer is 4.
Answer is 4. Good. 4, yes. Good. So tell me, Samarth, how do you do it?
Sir, total players are 2 power n.
Yes.
The probability that S2 is a winner is 1 by 4.
Yes.
The remaining are 3 by 4.
Yes.
The probability of S1 is a winner is out of 3 by 4. 2 power n minus 1 we have to take, right?
Very good.
You told that the probability of S1 is a winner is 1 by 20.
Yes.
I have equated, we got the value of it.
Yes. In fact, I will explain this via 2 methods. What you have done is perfectly all right. And like to try to observe the, yes, Samarth, raise your hand. Yeah, please tell me, Shashi Kumar.
Sir, in first round, except S1, there will be 2 power n minus 1 players. No, sir.
Yes.
So, probability of S1 winning will be 2 power n minus 2 by 2 power n minus 1 into 1 by 2.
Okay.
If we write on multiplying, keep on multiplying that, then we will get 3 by 2 into 2 power n plus 1 minus 2 equal to 1 by 20, sir.
That is what I want to tell you, and I want to just caution you. In these problems, don't go round by round. Just first try to observe what we are doing. Otherwise, it will look mechanical. Basically, this is a purely logical topic. So you have to think it in a very basic manner. See, S2 has already reached the semi-finals. This is semi-final stage. S2 is somewhere lying here.
Yes,
so now what is going to happen? S2 has already reached the semi-finals. Then what is the chance that S1 will win the tournament? So first of all, S1 might be thinking that he must be there among these 3 places which are left. Agree or not?
Yes, sir.
Now S1 could be any other player. That means except S2, how many players are there?
So 2 raised to the power n minus 2.
N minus 1.
Yes. And suppose these all seats except S2, 3 are here and all others are losers. So S1 could be one among them. So what is the chance that S1 may occupy one of the semi-finalist position? What is the chance? Tell me. 3 upon 2 power n minus 1. Simple. He could be lying anywhere by pure logic. And after that, so this is taking care that in addition with S2, S1 has also reached the semi-final stage. Into means simultaneously we want him to be the winner. So what is the chance S1 will win? Once he has reached. Tell me.
1 by.
Not 1 by 2. 1 by 4 because out of these 4, only one will win the tournament. Out of these 4, only one will win. So I think this is what you had done. Right? Just now who told me this?
Yes.
I will also tell you another method. So 2 power n minus 1 is 15. So this is one way to observe this. This is very fun. Now try to observe this in a different manner. S2 has reached the semi-finals. Agree?
Yes.
Tell me. So what is the chance S2 will win the tournament? What is the chance S2 will win the tournament?
1 by 4.
1 by
1 by
4.
2 into 1 by 2.
Don't do it 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Simply say 1 by 4. Out of these four, anyone could win the tournament.
Yes, sir.
1 by 2 is win to 1 by 2 is also okay. I'm not denying that. You should directly say that out of these four, one is going to win the tournament. All are equally skilled. So directly say 1 by 4 is the chance of S2 winning the tournament. What is the chance of S2 losing the tournament?
3 by 4.
If S2 loses, who will win? If S2 loses, who will win?
The
Other three.
Any of them.
Others.
Not
All
other
the
three. Any other. And all are equally
Yes,
skilled.
sir.
So that chance will be equally distributed by symmetry to all.
Yes, sir.
Tell me. So what is
Yes,
the
sir.
chance
Yes,
a
sir.
particular person will win? So you will say total chance of S2 losing or anybody else winning is 3 by 4. What is the chance of a particular person winning? 3 by 4 upon number of persons. So this is another way to look at this, but you can observe these are exactly the same equations. But can you observe the difference of the approach?
Yes,
The
sir.
logical patterns are different.
Yes. And this you should try to apply in the problems that are asked in JEE. Is that clear? So ultimately you will get the same answer. N equal to.
Sir, could you repeat the second method again? I was not able to follow you.
No issues. I will just tell you. S1, S2 chance of winning the tournament is 25%, 1 by 4, because he is one among the four. Right?
Yes, sir.
So S2 losing the tournament is 3 by 4. Yes, if S2 loses the tournament, this is 3 by 4. Say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So if S2 loses, who is going to win? Any other person?
Sir, yes, sir. Any other person?
That means this chance of 75% is going to be equally distributed among all the remaining persons. So they all will have equal chance of winning. So what is the chance of a particular remaining person? 3 by 4 upon total number of persons. What are they? What is that? 2 power n
2 to the
minus.
power n minus 1.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will take your leave and then we will meet in the next class with some more problems. Okay? Okay, take care.
Yes, sir. Thank
Thank
you,
you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.